Hello. Today I want to just share a very inexpensive way of making your own probiotic. You know how probiotic can be quite costly and you never know which brand to choose. There's so many different kinds. You don't know what the difference is. You don't know whether it's good or not, but forget about all that. I'll teach you how, and it's really, really affordable. So there is a couple of ways that I make my probiotic. The first one is you can make a kombucha. This one, kombucha is a really nice beverage and it's very, very easy. What it is simply fermented tea. So I've actually made this one at least 6 months ago. And you make the tea. Usually you use a black tea and then you put the tea in a jar like this. Just normal brew tea, and you just brew it overnight. Not overnight, you just let it cool and you add the tea in a jar and you put sugar. Okay, I prefer to use organic raw sugar because then you don't get the white refined stuff, and you gotta put in the SCOBY. Okay, this stuff you can buy from eBay, or if you're in Melbourne, come and visit me, I can give you. This is what actually makes a tea ferment, and you just leave the jar with the SCOBY inside there. You can see I've got a lot of SCOBY to give away. Give away, yes. And you just leave there for 2 to 3 weeks in a dark place. Kombucha, they don't like to be disturbed, so you just leave them there. And when the color turns clear like this, from the color of the black tea, you know it's ready to drink. But that's a beverage. The probiotic we're talking about is, I want you to just leave it there for about 3 months. And then once you have finished brewing them for 3 months, that means you don't drink it as a beverage. It will slowly multiply those probiotic, and you can have a shot. What I'm going to do is just pour them in a bottle, and you have a shot every night. That's all you need to do your probiotic. You don't need to spend mountains and mountains of money on supplements that may not even work. The other tip that I have about probiotic is you can just go and buy sauerkraut. Make sure you go to the organic grocer, and once you're done with the vegetables in there, you just tip out the water, collect them, and drink them every night. Okay, every night, probiotic, drink them every night before bed. Because you probably all already have heard that gut health is pretty much everything. So I have about 5 of these SCOBY babies that anyone, if you're in Melbourne or around me, give me a call. I will give you a free one. You can even bring a jar. I will make your first kombucha. Just make sure you contact me. I hope you like this.